Choosing between Revolution and Bravecto seems simple, but the stakes for your dog's health are higher than you think. What if one of these requires a flea to bite your dog to work? This inside-out versus outside-in method changes everything. This single difference impacts protection against other deadly parasites, including heartworm, a potentially fatal condition. It also determines if you treat your dog every single month or just once every 3 months. Convenience matters. We will break down application, mechanism, protection, and safety to help you make the best, most informed choice for your dog. So, what are these two medications at their foundation? Let's begin with Revolution. Revolution is a topical treatment. You apply a small vial of liquid directly to your dog's skin once every month. A common worry with topicals is water. Your dog can be bathed just 2 hours after applying Revolution without losing effect. Bravecto is fundamentally different. It's an oral chewable tablet your dog eats, often seen as a treat. Its biggest advantage is convenience. 1 chew protects your dog for 12 full weeks. That means just 4 doses per year. A monthly topical versus a quarterly chew seems simple, but the way they kill parasites is where the critical differences show up. So how does a liquid on the skin compare to a tablet in the bloodstream? And in a moment, you will learn why it matters so much. Revolution's active ingredient, selamectin, is absorbed into the skin. It attacks the parasite's nervous system on contact or via a bite. This process starts killing fleas within 12 hours. It can also repel fleas, potentially preventing a bite from ever happening. Bravecto works from the inside out. Its ingredient, fluorolaner, circulates in your dog's bloodstream. For it to work, a flea or tick must bite your dog to ingest the medicated blood. The benefit is speed, killing fleas in as little as 2 hours. Now we understand the how. So what does this mean for the what? What parasites do these different mechanisms actually stop? Remember our question about why the mechanism matters? Here is the answer. Revolution's approach allows it to be an all-in-one treatment. It does not just kill fleas and ticks, it also prevents heartworm disease, treats ear mites, and controls sarcoptic mange. It's a true broad-spectrum preventative. Bravecto, on the other hand, is a specialist. It is highly effective, but only protects against fleas and ticks. This is a serious point. If you use Bravecto, you must use an additional, separate medication to protect your dog from heartworm. So, Revolution appears to have better coverage. But what about safety and which dogs can take them? This is where the choice gets more complicated. For young puppies, the decision is made for you. Revolution is safe for puppies as young as 6 weeks. Bravecto cannot be given until 6 months of age. What about cost? A 3-month supply of either is similarly priced, but you must factor in the price of Bravecto's separate heartworm pill. Both are generally safe, but side effects are possible. Revolution, being topical, can cause skin irritation. In rare cases, tremors have been reported. There is one serious warning for Revolution. If a dog already has heartworms, giving it can cause a rapid die-off of larvae. This reaction can be severe. That is why a negative heartworm test from your vet is absolutely mandatory before starting any heartworm preventative. Okay, we've covered a lot. Mechanism, coverage, safety, and cost. Let's connect these pieces to see the core trade-off you're making. With Revolution, you get the convenience of all-in-one protection. Its topical mechanism enables broad-spectrum coverage in a single monthly dose. With Bravecto, you get the convenience of duration. Its internal, bite-required mechanism allows a 3-month dose, but you must manage a separate medication. So the choice isn't just topical versus chew. It is monthly all-in-one convenience versus quarterly specialized convenience, needing a second medication. So, how do you choose the right one for your dog? Let's make it simple. Choose Revolution if you want complete all-in-one protection in a single monthly dose. It's also the only option here for puppies under 6 months. Choose Bravecto if your main goal is long-lasting flea and tick control, and you are diligent about giving a separate monthly heartworm preventative. This video gives you the right questions to ask, but there is one non-negotiable final step. Talk to your veterinarian for the definitive, safest recommendation.